What's up guys, Seabass here, Dixie Divers, running you through a pony bailout setup that we have here in the shop. It's a nice thing to have, it's just a redundant air source if you ever need it. So basically this is the XS Scuba Pony Bag, fits up to a 6 cubic foot tank. You could also upgrade it to a 13 cubic foot tank if you wanted to. The way we like to run these is with our Surface Tech integrated first stage and valve. So you can see it's super compact. Nice thing about these, they have their own SPG here that they come with, so you can tell how much air is in there without having a separate tester. And you actually take out this filled cap, and there's an adapter that comes with it. You can fill it straight off your tank. So these can be utilized, like I said, two ways. You can strap them to the side of your tank with your BC cam band, or you can actually use this on shallow dives or for boat maintenance. You can just strap it down here to your waist if you ever need it. Really cool setup. Another way you can utilize these too, it's a little more clunky, but you can easily do it. Just a regular valve and then another first stage. It goes right into that same pony pack. So come check it out. Check it out online. We have it here in the store, and let's get you diving.